Namaste, this is Santanti. In this video, we are going to review the postposition in. The word in Hindi is may. May. So in the train would be train may. What would in the classroom be? Classroom may. What would in the bedroom be? Bedroom may. What would in the plane be? Plane may. What would in 5 minutes be? 5 minute में. Okay, now that we've practiced that and using in just to create some phrases, and you've seen the order of the words now, right? It's different than the order of the words in English, and we've talked about that many times. In Hindi, the subject of the sentence comes first, just like in English, but our verb always comes at the end. So everything else comes in the middle. So that's why we started our sentences, instead of saying in the train like we do in English, in Hindi it would be train mein. Train in, classroom in, bedroom in. All right, now let's do some simple sentences. We are in the train. हम ट्रेन में हैं. हम ट्रेन में हैं. Again, look at the order of the words there. We is the subject of the sentence, and our verb, हैं, comes at the end. Remember, हैं means is and also are. Okay? That's a state of being verb. So that's the verb for the sentence, and it comes at the end of the sentence. हम ट्रेन में हैं. They are in the classroom. वो क्लासरूम में है. वो क्लासरूम में है. The ghost is in the bedroom. Ghost bedroom में है. Ghost bedroom में है. We are in the plane. हम plane में है. हम plane में है. The show is in 5 minutes. Show 5 minute में है. Show 5 minute में है. Now let's do some not so simple sentences. In these sentences, you will have to remember other things that you've learned in class, such as verb conjugation, nouns, and adjectives. We are sitting in the train. So at first we are in the train. Now we added the verb sitting. We are sitting in the train. How would we say this in Hindi? हम ट्रेन में बैठ रहे हैं. हम ट्रेन में बैठ रहे हैं. Remember, to sit, the verb to sit is बैठना. And this sentence is present continuous, right? It's not present tense. It's present continuous because it's something that we are doing right now. We are sitting in the train right now. हम ट्रेन में बैठ रहे हैं. They are studying geography in the classroom. They are studying geography in the classroom. So before we had they are in the classroom, now we're doing they're studying geography in the classroom. So you have to remember to study. What is to study in Hindi? Let's take a look at the answer. वो क्लासरूम में geography पढ़ रहे हैं. वो क्लासरूम में geography पढ़ रहे हैं. So your verb is पढ़ना. And again, this is a present continuous sentence. वो क्लासरूम में geography पढ़ रहे हैं. The light blue ghost is in the bedroom. Now, to do this one, you have to know how to say ghost in Hindi. Ghost is bhoot. Then, not only do you need to know how to say it, you also need to know what noun category it's in. Now, according to our rules, this one would be rule number 3. If a noun does not end with a or e, then most likely it's going to go in the boy bucket or pull, which this is. So bhoot is a pull noun. So now you have everything that you need to put this sentence together. हल्का नीला भूत बेडरूम में है. हल्का नीला भूत bedroom में है. All right, let's do this one. We will eat sandwiches and bananas in the plane. We will eat sandwiches and bananas in the plane. So, I know you know what the verb is, but identify what the tense is to be able to do this correctly. All right, let's take a look. हम प्लेन में सैंडविच और केला खाएंगे. हम प्लेन में सैंडविच और केले खाएंगे. Okay, so let's take a look at this. खाएंगे is future tense, right? This is a future tense sentence. We will eat. We will eat. It's something that we're going to do. So our conjugation for a we sentence for future tense for खाना, the verb खाना is खाएंगे. हम खाएंगे. All right? हम प्लेन में सैंडविच और केले. Kele was made to be plural because we're having bananas. हम प्लेन में सैंडविच और केले खाएंगे. All right, now let's do this one. For this one, you have to be able to know how to say show in Hindi, and that's really easy. We're just going to say show. The noun category for this we also need to know. It is pull, which is what we would guess it to be. Now, put the sentence together. लंबा शो 5 मिनट में है. लंबा शो 5 मिनट में है. All right, now let's use this postposition in a different way. Let's use it to answer the question, where are you? In Hindi, to ask the question, where are you, we say, आप कहाँ है? आप कहाँ है? आप is you, कहाँ is where, and है is are. So it becomes you, where, are, which makes sense, right? Because we've talked about this so many times now that in Hindi, our verb comes at the end of the sentence and our subject of the sentence comes at the beginning. So you, where, are makes sense for how it would be said in Hindi, aap kahan hai? And in English, of course, we say, where are you? Now, one thing I want to point out is you might be thinking, but wait a second, I've heard aap kahan ho. I've heard this sentence. And you know what? Both of them are correct. And both of them are used in Hindi, okay? To be honest, the second one, aap kahan ho, is more commonly used in conversational Hindi, but the top one is the one that's grammatically correct. Because anytime you have an aap, we do not use ho, because aap is the formal you, and hai is the formal are. So it's more grammatically correct to say aap kahan hai, but most people say aap kahan ho. All right? I don't care which one you use as long as you understand the difference. All right. So I'm in the bathroom. Aap kahan hai? I'm in the bathroom. To say I'm in the bathroom in Hindi, main bathroom mein hu. Main bathroom mein hu. Aap kahan hai? We're in the car. हम गाड़ी में हैं. हम गाड़ी में हैं. आप कहाँ हैं? I'm in the pool. मैं पूल में हूँ. मैं पूल में हूँ. आप कहाँ हैं? We're in the kitchen. हम रसोई में हैं. हम रसोई में हैं. Great work with this postposition. Now you know how to use the word in Hindi, and there's a lot of ways to use this, but these are some of the most common ones. Keep practicing this and we'll keep building on it. Dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.